Okay, we're recording. Okay, we're recording. And walking through how to make a video on Magisto. So here's the opening Magisto after you log in. I can go and I can select video files from my desktop or that I have previously used or from my Google Drive. In this situation, I'll be using my Google Drive so that I can find the files that I have stored in there for you. At A1 Garage Doors. If I want to add more, I can do it again. Here are all the videos. I'm going to select this video and this video. No, not that one. Select this one and this one and this one. So 3 or 4. Then I select the style. You can select this one, Bunesh. Testimonial, portfolio. Select this one, testimonial. Then choose a music that you like best. If you like the music, good. You can change the music later. And then you can call it remove the contact information, and then you just press make my movie. It's that easy. Okay? Press the button make my movie. Okay? And you're done. That's it. Okay? Are you listening? You had to turn it back on? You weren't watching?